When we walk with the Lord in the light of His word, what a glory He shades on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still, and with all who will trust and obey. Not a shadow can rise, not a cloud in the sky, but His smile quickly drives it away. Not a doubt or a fear, not a sigh or a tear can abide while we trust and obey. Trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus but to trust and obey. Bwe tuba ne Yesu nga tumugondera, atulaga ekkubo eddungi, abawamu naffe tukola by'asiima, n'abo bonna bamugondera. Tumwesige, tewali eyo mulala, wabula Yesu yekka, oyo gwe twesiga. Tumwesige, tewali